Good morning, class. I wanted to show you two quick things you could do today. Here is your math problem of the day. So you can pause the video on here and figure out again which one doesn't belong. And remember, there might be more than one answer. The goal is to make sure that you can explain why you think it doesn't belong. And remember, you can post these ideas on Teams to me, or you can text them to me. A big shout out to Bea and Henry. I've been getting your texts to see what you've been thinking in your math problem of the day. The other thing I wanted to show you today is some social studies activities that you can do. So I added a new link on Clever. So I'm going to remind everybody how to get to Clever. So if you go on the internet and type in SpokanePublicSchools.org, and then you scroll down till you get to Digital Tools, then Clever will be linked right in the front with the big blue C. So click on Clever. Then you'll need to log in using your email and your login or your QR code that I sent home for you. So you'll log in. And on my teacher page, which is the Purple Kangaroo, I've added a couple new things for you to go to. So I'm going to click on the Purple Kangaroo. And so you can see right here, I put Go Noodle on to keep you exercising and active. If it's raining outside, you can always do Go Noodle. And then the other thing I put in is the Google Earth virtual reality field trips. So we have done this in class where we visited schools around the world. There's a new one that I wanted to show you that you could go to today. You can also do schools around the world, but if you click on this, it will take you to Google Earth. And then on the sidebar, you'll need to click on the little picture of the wheel. That's Voyager. So if you click on that, then it takes you to the different field trips that you can do. I like to scroll down and click on Education. And in this one is where you'll find the schools around the world. This one right here, this is school. And then we found a new one with Carmen Sandiego. So I'm going to show you that one. I'm going to go to Games. And then you'll see where on Google Earth is Carmen Sandiego. So when you click on that, you can begin the chase. And you can try to chase Carmen Sandiego around the world and try to figure out where she is. And while you're there, I'm just going to click through so you can see. So you'll use your magnifying glass to interview people in each city. When you think you know where to go, you'll click on the airplane and pick a place to travel to. So here it goes, taking us to our first place. So we're in London. And it talks a little bit about London. And then in here, you can travel closer and zoom in different spots in London, and you can explore them as you're going. When you're ready to interview somebody, you click on the little interview button and you choose a landmark. It will take you there. So let's say we choose Buckingham Palace. It's going to take us to Buckingham Palace, and they're going to give us a clue about where Carmen Sandiego may have traveled. And at the same time, you can stop and take a few minutes to look around at Buckingham Palace. Then the final thing I want to show you really quick before you go, I did send home your social studies books. So you do have your social studies book at home. If you want to work through the first couple parts of chapter 4, so this is page 118, 119. It introduces this unit, and we have done a little bit in this unit already, but you can start from the beginning so it makes sense to you at home too. So you'll go through vocabulary and then go ahead and go through lesson 1 sometime this week. So that takes you through page 125. And you can write right inside these books. We usually do them whole class at school, so there isn't a lot of writing inside them, but you can write in them now that you have them home. So that's it for today. I hope you have fun learning. Bye.